It's my feel-good breakfast show.
All right, it's a Thursday morning and we're live on SABC3. Welcome back to your Feel Good Breakfast show. Now, did you know that it's estimated that over 3 million people in South Africa suffer from hearing impairment? And this can, of course, lead to major obstacles to communication if it goes untreated. Now, today being World Hearing Day, a new app aims to put the ability to test your hearing within the hands of every single person with a smartphone. It's called HearZA. And on the line right now, we have Professor Wet Swanepoel, co-inventor of the app and professor in the Speech, Language, Pathology and Audiology Department at the University of Pretoria. Thank you very, very much for joining us on the line, Professor Swanepoel.
Thank you very much. Great to be here.
And I've got to say, big congratulations on the development of this app, which now launches today. Just take me through some of the tests that one can expect to be conducted when you're using this app to test your hearing.
Yes, well, as you mentioned, HearZA has been launched today as the National Hearing Test of South Africa. The test essentially measures your ability to understand speech in the presence of background noise. So it's really a test of real-life hearing, because that's how we have to hear in the world around us.
Yeah. So once you do use the app, as I did earlier on, and I got a score of 76, which indicates that I've got normal hearing, but how long does it take? And once those tests are completed, what do those results tell you?
Yeah, so what we've done is we've actually taken your ability to hear and understand speech and background noise, and we've tried to personalize that so you get a personal hearing score after you've done this test. It takes about 2 minutes to do, and based on that personalized score, we can classify your hearing ability into one of 3 categories: either normal hearing, or you may have a mild hearing problem, or you may have a disabling hearing problem. So apart from actually just classifying your hearing loss, we've also tried to socialize this so that you can actually get a personalized score that you can share with friends and colleagues and actually challenge them to also take this hearing test.
And so tell me about the significance of launching the app today on World Hearing Day.
Yes, so of course, today is World Hearing Day, initiative by the World Health Organization to showcase healthy hearing and the importance of identifying hearing loss early so that we can actually intervene and negate the negative effects of hearing loss. And HearZA is intended exactly to do that, to allow people to test their hearing in their homes. And then also what we've built into the application is that it has a database at the back end that will link you, if you have a hearing problem, to your closest hearing healthcare provider in your environment based on your geolocation.
Well, this is fantastic stuff, and thank you very, very much for bringing us HearZA, and may you have many, many years of success with it.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
There we go, and that was Professor Wet Swanepoel, co-inventor of the HearZA app and also professor at the University of Pretoria. Do check out the app. It's very, very useful. It might actually let you know if you have a hearing problem or not. Well, right now it's time for us to take a look at the news headlines of the morning, and here's Leanne.